Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Frugalisama. My name's Sam and I've got another So Frugal 22 prize reveal for you. So Frugal 22 is a challenge that I'm running over on Instagram with the Yorkshire Sew Girl to make yourself a garment during the month of March using a free pattern and fabric from your stash. And the reveal date is on the 31st of March, so not long to go. Get your skates on. So we've had vloggers come in to you every day with their ideas, and today we've got Jodie from Sewing Stash, and we should have had Carrie from Thread Therapy. Unfortunately, Carrie's ill and is hoping to get a video out before the end of March for you. So let's all send her some sewing love and hope she gets better soon. Carrie used to have a channel called So Pretty Kitty and has changed it to Thread Therapy, if you're wondering who that is. So today's prize reveal is from Winterwear Designs. So I discovered Winterwear Designs as I started doing my Frugal Fridays because they regularly sell patterns at $3. If you sign up to their newsletter, usually on a Thursday you will get an offer for a pattern for $3. So always worth signing up to any pattern company's newsletters for that. And the prize that Suzanne is giving away is 2 PDF patterns to 2 lucky winners. So that's 2 people that can win 2 PDF patterns each. So I'll just tell you about some of the patterns that I've sewn of theirs and some free patterns that they've got on their website as well. So I'll start off with this one here, and this is the shirt pattern, and I did pick this up on the $3 sale, and you can see it's a little bit crumpled because I do wear it quite a lot. I've been wearing this today, but I thought it'd show better on here. I should have pressed it really. And I just had a play about with different fabrics on this one. So it's a classic shirt with princess seams so that you can achieve a better fit. Let's see if we can show you the princess seam down there. And then you've got a yoke at the back, just there, and then some princess seams here at the side as well. So you've got the full collar stand, and then I've done the long sleeve version with cuffs. You can do different sleeve versions on this. There's short sleeve, I think there's a sleeveless version, and you can put little tabs on there as well. So it's a really good one, is this, if you want to achieve a good fitting shirt and you can play about with different fabrics like I have done there. So the other one that I made is underneath. I'll strip Mandy off, and I actually pattern tested for this one, and this is their summer dress. Sorry about Rogue clipping about, he's waiting for his walk. This is their summer dress, and I've done a flutter sleeve on that. So again, different sleeve variations, different lengths on this one. And then if I flip Mandy round again, you can see that this is really special in that it's got this cross back feature here with this keyhole feature, and it doesn't have to have a cross back, but all the versions have got this keyhole feature. Covers all your bra straps, so you've got nothing to worry about there, and quite a good size range on this one. Size range on the dress is from 0 to 30, which is 28-inch bust up for 58-inch bust. Maximum hip is 61 inches. And you've got different lengths for this one as well. You can do an E-length like this, a maxi, which I did also make, and then you can make it as a top as well, and different sleeve options. And the other one that I tested for Suzanne was the pyjama pattern. That is just a classic PJs with lots of options again. You can do different sleeve lengths on the pyjamas, you can do different leg lengths on the pyjamas, and then you can do like a night shirt. So you've got buttons down the front, classic notched collar on it, and it's for wovens is that one. So I think that's a really nice pattern, and if you scroll down you'll see a picture of me as I was a tester. So Winterwear Designs for women and children as well. So quite a few of the free patterns are either accessories for children, or there are like SVG files and things like that. But they do have 3 free garment patterns. One that I'm wearing now, which is the cross hem tee, and that is just a really nice scooped neck. Don't think I did a great job of the band here, but it doesn't bother me. Then you've got long sleeves on this one, and then if I just stand up you'll be able to see the cross hem feature, which is there. I think you'd have seen that feature more if I'd have used a contrast fabric, but I didn't. She's also got the split hem tee, which has got a scoop neck or a V-neck option with a band, and then you can make it 3/4 sleeves, long sleeves and short sleeves. The long sleeves have got a thumb hole option, and then you've got side split on that one, and you can either have that with a regular hem or a stepped hem. And then she's got a tank, and the tank's ideal if you've only got a yard of fabric. The fit is like a potato sack and skin tight. I'm not quite sure what that means. It looks quite fitted to me across the bust, but not quite so fitted across the waist and the hips. The beauty of that one is that there are cutting lines for a petite frame as well. So yeah, great one that. If you're wanting to join in the challenge and you've only got like a yard or a metre of knit fabric that you want to use. All 3 patterns that are free on her website, you need to join the Facebook group in order to get a code for. So I'll leave the link for that below. So she does have around about 20 patterns, more than 20 patterns that are on the 0 to 30 size range. So again, that's a maximum hip of 61 inches, I think. Not all of her patterns go up to that size range. The free ones, unfortunately, only go up to 0 to 24. But well worth joining her newsletter for those $3 deals, and the Facebook group is very supportive as well. She's got lots and lots of patterns on there for women and children, and whilst we're looking through the website, I did notice that she'd got a pair of jeans on there that are available for $3. Normal prices are, I think the most that you pay is $9.95. The range between $5 and $9.95. But I thought the jeans were great for $3 if you wanted to try out a pair of jeans patterns. Can highly recommend her instructions as well. So that's it from me today. I hope this finds you well. Thank you so much for your kind wishes yesterday for my husband. It's fine. I think he's milking it now. But yeah, he's still keeping himself to himself in a separate room, so I'm absolutely fine. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be back tomorrow with another prize reveal. Bye!